In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Linktree for Aliexpress products. By the end, you'll have a clean, shoppable Linktree where people can tap to view your Aliexpress product pages, all organized in one place. First, open Linktree and sign into your account. Once you're in the admin area, look to the left sidebar and choose the Links section. This is where every button your visitors see will live, and it's the hub for adding, editing, and arranging your product links. Next, click the Add button to create a new item. You'll see a panel where you can search for different block types. The search box is helpful if you already know what you're looking for, but let's quickly explore so you know where everything is. Tap the suggested tab to view popular options. These are curated blocks that many creators use, and it's a great place to start if you're unsure which format you need. Open the Commerce category to preview e-commerce oriented blocks. This section is useful for storefront style features and promotions. Now, click into Social to see blocks for social networks and profiles. It's good to know these are here if you ever need to highlight a channel or community alongside your products. For what we're doing today, we'll keep it simple, so head back to Suggested. From here, choose the basic link option. This is the most straightforward way to feature an AliExpress product: a title, a URL, and a tap to open button. In the link editor that appears, paste your AliExpress product URL into the field. Confirm to add it. If you're on desktop, pressing enter typically does the trick, or you can click to finalize. You'll now see the new link in your links list. Give it a clear, shopper-friendly title so people instantly understand what they're tapping. Short, descriptive names work best. Think product type and a key benefit. If you're adding multiple products, repeat the process. Click Add, select Link, paste the next AliExpress URL, and confirm. As your list grows, you can drag to reorder items so your best sellers or seasonal picks appear at the top. Take a moment to check the preview on the right side of the screen. Tap each link to make sure it opens correctly and loads the intended product page. If something doesn't look right, update the title or paste a fresh URL until it does. That's it. You navigated to links, explored the suggested commerce and social categories to understand your options, selected the link block, and pasted your AliExpress product URL to publish a clean product button. Save your changes, and your link tree is ready to share.